The first step is to open the Start menu and type Troubleshoot Settings. In the search bar. Then, we'll select Additional Troubleshooters. After that, choose Windows Update and run the troubleshooter. The second step is to check the date and time. Right-click on the time, select Adjust Date, Time, and make sure Set the Time Automatically is turned on. Also, ensure that the time zone is set to your country. The third step is to open the Start menu, type Services, and select Run as Administrator. In the Services window, we'll find Windows Update. Double-click to open it and change the startup type to Automatic. The fourth step is to open the Start menu, type CMD, and run it as administrator. Copy and paste the first command. Then type Y to confirm file deletion. Continue copying and pasting the remaining commands. You'll find all the commands in video description. Of course, the last few commands will take some time, and the final command will scan the disks after restarting.
Like a Hellcat. Here we go. Again.
I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.